Now, today's top stories and Power of 5 weather from News 5. Sponsored by Akron Children's Hospital.
Hi, everybody. I'm Rob Powers. Here's a look at today's top stories. Some Ohio schools have had to put practice on hold after student athletes tested positive for coronavirus. That includes Dover, after a football player tested positive. That player last went to practice Friday. Now, as a precaution, dozens of players and some coaches were told to quarantine for 14 days. The Ohio High School Athletic Association says since sports are not in season, procedures for positive tests are up to health departments.
While we might be the first in Tuscarawas County, we're not going to be the only. Student safety is our top priority, but it is also a concern for us. Our high school students want to get back to normalcy.
The state began allowing high school contact sports to resume practice just last week. Districts are closely watching for possible spread among athletes while the state gets closer to releasing guidance for sports seasons starting in August. There's another spike in coronavirus cases in Ohio. More than 1,000 new cases reported today, pushing the total to nearly 53,000. More than 7,900 people have been hospitalized, with the number of people still in hospitals fighting COVID-19 increasing over the last 2 weeks. 2,876 people have now died in Ohio. While we are still being urged to keep our distance and wear masks in public, apparently not everyone's listening. According to our partners at the Akron Beacon Journal, Summit County Public Health looked at complaints and inspector observations and concluded that only 15 to 25% of people in the county are wearing masks in public indoors. Dayton, by the way, just became the first Ohio city to require masks in public, and Governor Mike DeWine says he supports that decision. Let's talk weather now. Ramisha Shaden for Mark Johnson.
Plenty of heat to talk about, Rob. We've got temperatures that will get pretty hot over the coming days. Overnight, though, not that bad. 67 degrees tonight, but it's during the afternoon, the mid to late afternoon. Those temperatures will soar close to 90 degrees for tomorrow. Even hotter next week. Not much rain for your 4th of July holiday.
Sponsored by Akron Children's Hospital.